Teach Nepal, a true destination for self-learning. नयाँ तथा पुराना भिडियोहरू हेर्नको लागि टिच नेपाल च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
Hello and namaste to dear students and all our valued viewers. You are once again welcome to Teach Nepal. I am Ramesh Adhikari. Today I am going to present you a new lesson of grade 11 compulsory English new course, that is grammar part of unit 14. In this video I'll deal with must, can't, may and might, and very soon we are about to upload many videos for other lessons. Dear students, let me start today's lesson. I hope you will watch the video till the end to get the complete understanding of the lesson. Before I begin, I'd like to request you all to subscribe our channel for other many new videos and updates. Please don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get notified about our new videos automatically. Now let's begin. Use of may and might. May or might is used to say something is possible or to describe possible action happening in the future. भविष्यमा सम्भावित क्रियाकलापको लागि हामीले मे or might प्रयोग गरिन्छ. For example, she may be coming tomorrow. It might rain tonight. In the same way, may or might is used for the action which is possible but not decided. सम्भावना भएको तर निर्णय नभइसकेको कुराको लागि पनि may might प्रयोग गरिन्छ. For example, I am not sure I may go to Kathmandu tomorrow. I might study computer science. I haven't decided yet. In the same way, may and might can be used interchangeably, but might is used to show unreal situation. May might दुईटै प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ एकअर्कासँगको सट्टामा, तर प्राय might चाहिँ unreal situation, अवास्तविक सिचुएसनको लागि प्रयोग हुन्छ. For example, he might work better if they paid him more. If you studied hard, you might pass the exam. This is unreal situation. Use of must and can't. Must is used to say that something is necessary or compulsory. एकदम आवश्यक छ कुनै कुरा हुनै पर्छ भन्ने अर्थमा, compulsory भन्ने अर्थमा must को प्रयोग हुन्छ. For example, you must get a ticket to watch a movie. Movie हेर्नको लागि टिकट नभइकन हुँदैन. Students must follow the school rules. That is compulsory. In the same way, must is used to say that something is true or certain because of the situation. हामीलाई परिस्थितिले बताउँछ त्यो कुरा चाहिँ एकदम स्योर छ भन्ने कुरा. हुन गइरहेको छ भन्ने कुरा. जस्तो there are a lot of people in the restaurants means it must be a good restaurant. She is wearing a school uniform, it means she must be a student. In the same way, can't is used to say that something is not possible. For example, the pants are on the floor, they can't be clean. She has an expensive car, she can't be poor. Let's look at how to rewrite the sentences using must, can't, may or might. Study the following examples. I am sure she is working can be rewritten as she must be working. I am sure means must. Obviously she wasn't working means she can't have been working. Obviously is used in negative form, so can't is used. I am convinced she has cheated me means she must have cheated me. Perhaps she works hard means she may work hard. Maybe she stole the money, it means she might have stolen the money. It's possible that she wasn't at home, it means she might not have been at home. These are the examples of how to rewrite sentences using must, can't, may or might. From the above example, we can conclude that must is used to replace I am sure, I am convinced, obviously हरू पोजिटिभ रूपमा आयो भने मस्ट प्रयोग गर्ने. सिमिलरली कान्ट चाहिँ I am sure, I am convinced, obviously हरू नेगेटिभ रूपमा आयो भने कान्ट प्रयोग गर्ने. May or might is used to replace perhaps, maybe, it's possible that तिनीहरू आयो भने पोजिटिभमा may might, नेगेटिभमा may not might not प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ. सिमिलरली ओरिजिनल फर्म अफ भवन प्रयोग गर्ने प्रेजेन्ट कन्टेक्स्ट भयो भने, त्यस्तै पास्ट अथवा पर्फेक्ट कन्टेक्स्ट भयो भने have प्लस verb 3 प्रयोग. We can simplify the above rules in this way. हामीले अघि भनेकै कुरालाई चाहिँ यसरी पनि रुलको रूपमा प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ. I am sure, I am convinced, obviously हरू आयो भने must प्रयोग गर्ने. अनि त्यस्तै गरेर I am sure, I am convinced, obviously हरूसँग not पनि आयो भने can't प्रयोग गर्ने. Perhaps it's possible that, maybe त्यस्तो आयो भने may might प्रयोग गर्ने. perhaps it's possible that maybe सँग not पनि आयो अथवा I doubt if त्यस्तो आयो भने may not अथवा might not प्रयोग गर्ने। रुलहरुमा भवन वा 5 को ठाउँमा भवन प्रयोग गर्ने, जस्तो प्लेज आयो भने प्ले प्रयोग गर्ने, प्ले मात्रै आयो भने प्ले प्रयोग गर्ने, इजेमार आयो भने यसको फर्स्ट फर्म बी प्रयोग गर्ने, आएज अथवा आएजी आयो भने हाइवे प्रयोग गर्ने। त्यस्तै भब 2 को ठाउँमा आई भब 3 प्रयोग गर्ने भन्नु अर्थ वजोर आयो भने आई बिन प्रयोग गर्ने, त्यसको भब 3 वजोरको भब 3 बिन प्रयोग गर्ने, वेन्ट आयो भने आई गोन प्रयोग गर्ने। That's the rule. Let's go to the textbook exercise from the textbook. Fill in the blanks with may, must or can't. Matthew be at home. I can see his bike in front of his home. उसको घर अगाडि बाइक छ भनेपछि सिचुएसनले हामीले त्यो कुरा बताएको छ। सो मस्ट प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ यसमा। दे बी कमिङ टुमरो, भोलि हुने कुरा हुन सक्छ नहुन सक्छ। सो मे, दे मे बी कमिङ। सी स्पिक फ्रेन्च भेरी वेल, राम्रो फ्रेन्च बोल्छिन्। सी ओन्ली लिभड इन पेरिस फर 2 weeks, जम्मा 2 हप्ता भयो पेरिस बस्न थालेको भनेपछि त्यो सम्भावना भएन हैन। सो कान्ट, सी कान्ट स्पिक फ्रेन्च भेरी वेल। My key is not in my pocket nor on my desk, मेरो हैन चाबी मेरो पकेटमा पनि छैन, डेस्कमा पनि छैन। त्यो सिचुएसनले हामीलाई के भन्छ भन्दा सो इट मस्ट बी इन द ड्रअर। I saw him yesterday, मैले हिजो मात्रै उसलाई देखेको थिएँ, त्यसको अर्थ he can't be abroad, विदेश गएको छैन उ। You got the job, तिमीले जागिर पायो, that's great हैन, एकदम राम्रो भयो। You must be very delighted, जागिर पाएपछि पक्कै पनि खुसी भयो हुनुपर्छ। I finish it by tomorrow if I stay at work all night but I am not sure, रातभरि गरे भने त्यो काम भोलि सकिन सक्छ भनेको अर्थ स्योर नभएपछि I may finish। Somebody is knocking on the door, हैन कसैले ढोकामा आवाज दिइराछ, यो सबिना हुनुपर्छ। सी प्रोमिस टु कम टुडे, आज आउने उनले प्रोमिस गरेका थिइन् भनेपछि इट मस्ट बी सबिना, पक्कै पनि सबिना नै हुनुपर्छ भन्ने अर्थ। लेट्स लुक एट द अनदर एक्सरसाइज फ्रम द टेक्स्ट बुक। Rewrite the following sentences using may, might, must or can't. For example, maybe they went away, they may or might have gone away. First question, I am sure he is not going to the cinema today. I am sure आए कारणले गर्दाखेरि र पछाडि not आए कारणले गर्दाखेरि he can't प्रयोग गर्छौं हामी। he can't be going to the cinema today, is लाई be बनाइयो। Perhaps she knows the answer, perhaps सँग may प्रयोग गरियो, she may, अनि knows 5 लाई भवन नै बनाइयो, she may know the answer। I am sure he has a car, I am sure आए कारणले गर्दाखेरि सँग must राख्यौं हामीले र has लाई पनि have बनाइयो, he must have a car। I doubt if it rains later on, I doubt if आए कारणले गर्दा may not प्रयोग गरियो, rains लाई पनि rain बनाइयो। Perhaps she wants to be alone, perhaps आए कारणले गर्दाखेरि may राखियो, may might जुन राख्न नि मिल्छ, she may अनि wants लाई पनि want भवन बनाएर अरु सारिएको छ। I am sure Harina is in her office, I am sure आए कारणले गर्दाखेरि Harina must राखियो, is लाई be बनाएर Harina must be in her office भनेर यसरी हामी चेन्ज गर्न सक्छौं यसलाई। Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any queries and confusions about today's lesson, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much.